First question. Okay, so children, first question in circles, 10th class, CBSE, first question. First question is like this, when tangent PQE is drawn from circle of radius 5 centimeters is there, a tangent PQ is drawn from circle of radius 5 centimeters. Tangent PQ is drawn, okay, meets through the center, and okay, OQ is 13 centimeters. Okay, this is O, this is P, this is Q. OQ is 13 centimeters. What is the length of the tangent? This is the question. What is the length of the tangent? Since tangent is always perpendicular to radius, tangent is always perpendicular to radius, it is a right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. 13 square is equal to 5 square plus PQ square. 169 is equal to 25 plus PQ square. Everyone should copy. No one is sitting idle. PQ square is equal to 144. PQ square is equal to 12 square. PQ is equal to 12 centimeters is the answer. Actually, a basic question first I did, so refresh your syllabus. So it means over days we need this question. A line through the center O of a circle of radius 7 centimeters, that's the tangent. Okay, 7 centimeters is the tangent, children. 7 centimeters is the radius at a point P of the circle at Q, such that PQ is equal to 24 centimeters. PQ is 24 centimeters. What is the distance of this? They are asking, children. What is the distance of this? They are asking. That's it, children. Okay, so since tangent is perpendicular to the radius, compulsory you have to mention that statement. Since tangent is perpendicular to the radius, apply Pythagoras theorem, children. So what do you get? X square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. X square is equal to 49 plus 576. X square is equal to 625. X square is equal to 25 square. X is equal to 25 centimeters is the distance from the center. Third question, children. Okay, O is the center of circle of radius 8 centimeters. O is the center of the circle of radius 8 centimeters. Basic level questions, children. And tangent to the point on the circle has the line to O such that AB is 15 centimeters. AB is 15 centimeters. What is the length of this point? Apply Pythagoras theorem, children. Someone apply Pythagoras theorem because
x square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square.
Okay, keep saying x square is equal to
64 plus 225.
X square is equal to X square is equal
Square is
to
equal to 17 square.
X is equal to
17 centimeters.
centimeters. Okay. If the tangent at the point P of circle cuts the line through O such that PQ is 24 centimeters, PQ is 24 centimeters, and OQ is 25 centimeters. OQ is 25 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Okay. Suryakala, can you tell me? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Can you apply Pythagoras theorem, Suryakala? Can you apply Pythagoras theorem? So one will open their mouth. R square is equal to plus 24 square.
625 is equals to R square plus 570.
R square is equal to 49. R square is equal to 7 square.
R is
equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, children, please keep copying, children. No one is sitting idle. Please see. Next question, children. 1 second. Okay, next question. A point P is 30 centimeters, children. See here. A point P is 13 centimeters from the center of the circle. Always draw like this only, children. Draw like this only. Some people have a habit of drawing like this, children. See, some people will draw like this. This is not correct, children. Please don't draw like this. This won't be 90 degrees. Don't draw like that. Okay, so he's saying that if point P is 13 centimeters, point P is 13 centimeters from the center of the circle. Okay, and the length of the tangent T is 12 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay,
So shall I tell?
Yeah, tell Nana.
Apply Pythagoras theorem. 13 square is equal to R square plus 12 square.
Okay.
R square plus 12 square. 169 is equal to R square plus 144. R square is equal to 169 minus 144. R square is equal to 5 square. R is equal to 5 centimeters.
R is equal to 5 centimeters. Next question, sixth question. Find the length of the tangent from point P whose distance from the center of circle is 25 centimeters. Whose distance from the center of circle is 25 centimeters. Someone else tell children 25 centimeters and radius is 7 centimeters. What is the length of the tangent?
Yes, sir. 25 whole square is equal to 7 square plus x square. 625 is equal to 49 plus x square. 625 minus 49 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 576.
24 centimeters is the length of the tangent.
Length of the tangent.
24 centimeters is the length of the tangent. Next question, children. basic level questions. Children, now I will little bit I will start improving the complexity of some children. See here, there is a triangle. Like this. There is a triangle. Okay, here is a circle. Here is a circle. What they are saying is the figure AB is equal to AC. Children, AB is equal to AC. They are saying AB is equal to AC. Given children, AB is equal to AB. They prove that question. Prove that BE is equal to EC. Prove that BE is equal to EC. This is the question. Prove that BE is equal to EC. Children, they said AB is equal to EC. Can anyone say what is AB, children?
AE plus B.
A plus B. Can anyone say what is AC, children?
AF
AF
plus
plus FC.
AF plus FC. Can I cancel AE and AF, children?
yes, sir.
By tangents meeting at a point are equal. Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Equal.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. And can I write BE is equal to BK, children?
Yes, sir.
One second, children. One second. I'm sorry. I have changed the things, children. 1 second. This is E, children. This is E. Let me say this is D, children. Now, can anyone tell what is AB, children? What is AB?
AD plus BD
AD plus BD.
is
What is
equal
AC, children?
to AF plus CF.
AF plus CF. Can I cancel AD and AF?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
BD can witness.
BE
Why? Tangents meeting at a point
meeting at a
are.
point are equal.
Can I write CF plus CE?
Easy.
Sir.
Why, children? Because tangents
Tangents
meeting at a
meeting
point
at a
are.
point are equal.
Hence proved over, children. Children, this and this are equal. This and this are equal. So BE is equal to BC inverse. So E is the midpoint. Like this we have to prove. Like this we have to prove. Okay, children. Next question. Next question. Please see, children. Okay. Question is like this, children. There is a circle. There is a circle. Like this. Like this. There is a circle. Okay. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is P. And this is Q. No, everyone are copying. Nobody is sitting idle. This is R, children. Question is, he is asking us to require to prove, children. We have to prove that AQ is equal to half of perimeter of ABC. Half of perimeter of ABC. Yes, children, half of perimeter of ABC.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, tell children. Tell. Perimeter is equal to
Perimeter of ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Okay.
Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC can be written as BP plus PC.
BP plus PC. BC can be written as BB plus PC. AC can be written as AC.
AC.
Okay.
AB plus
BP can be written as
equal to BQ.
BP can be written as BQ. Why? Because
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
tangents meeting at a point are equal. And PC can be written as CR.
Because tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. So AB plus BQ, what we can write?
is equal to AQ.
And
CR
CR plus AC,
equal to AR.
AR. And AQ and AR are
Equal because tangents meeting at a point are equal. So we
AB.
can write AQ.
Yeah. AQ plus AQ I can write. So P is equal to 2AQ.
AQ.
So 2 comes down. Half of perimeter of ABC is AQ. Very good. Very good. Okay, so children, you understood, children? AQ and AR are also tangents which are meeting at a point are equal. AQ and AR are equal. AQ and AR also I wrote as AQ. And AQ is half of perimeter of ABC. AQ is half of perimeter of ABC. Very, very important question, children. Very, very important. Compulsory will come, children. 100% guarantee. Important question. Okay, children. Morning also I told balloon question is very, very important. Balloon question came. You might have observed today. Okay, children. So please see here. Next, children. All basic sums I'm telling you little bit. I'm increasing the complex. Okay. So children, next one. 8th question. Please keep copying, children. No one is sitting idle. 8th question. See here. Question is like this, children. This is the question is like this. This is again, children. This is X. This is A. This is B. This is no. This is B, children. This is R. This is O. This is P. Okay, like this it is. No, this is Q. O is the center of something. No? See children, this is a given R is a point on the circle. He is asking prove that. Prove that. Required to prove is XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. He is asking XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. He is asking us to prove. Yes, children.
So
Anyone?
shall I tell?
Yeah, tell them.
So we can take XP is equal to AX plus PA.
XP is equal to XQ. Why? Why?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. XP is equal to XQ.
XQ.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. XP can be written as what?
AX plus AP.
XA plus AP.
AP is equal to XB plus BQ.
XB plus BQ.
Ex-
Okay. Now AP can be written as
Written as AR.
AP can be written as AR. Why?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
This is one tangent. This is one tangent. So AP can be written as AR.
AR and
BQ
BQ
by
can be
BQ
written as BR.
BQ
Because
can be
tangents
BR.
meeting at a point are equal.
You have to quote the statement, children. If you don't write the statement, you will not get marks, children. Okay, children. That's it. Okay. Next one. Ninth question, children. Ninth question is like this, children. What they are saying is they have given a triangle. Children, all these questions are basic level questions and very, very easy questions, provided you practice it, children. Once you have to practice it, please keep copying along with me. Don't sit idle, children. D, E, F. What is the question? Means, sure. What is the required question? Means, is asking us to prove that AF plus BD plus C is equal to AE plus BF plus CD is equal to half of perimeter of ABC. They ask. Any boys are interested? Tell me. Any boys? Perimeter of ABC. Any boys?
AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC plus AC. Very good.
AB can be written as AF plus BF.
AF plus BF. Very good.
And BC can be written as BD plus DC.
BD plus CD. Very good. AC can be written as
AE plus EC.
A plus CE. Okay. Now what else we can write? AF and AE are equal.
Equal.
So can I write 2AF?
Yes, sir.
According to the question.
BF.
BD and BF are equal. BD and BF are equal.
2
Can I
BF.
write 2B?
Yes.
And CE.
CE and this DC
CE
are
are equal. CE and CD are equal.
so 2 CE.
CE and CD. 2
2 CE.
CE. So perimeter is equal to 2 times
2 times of AF plus BD plus CE.
Okay, so this will go down.
Half of perimeter of ABC is equals to AF plus BD plus CE.
Or half of perimeter of the AF can also be written as
Written as AE.
BD can also be written as
written as BF. And
CE
CE can also be written as DC.
Why? Because
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. This is
equal. Okay, so like that you have to write children. Next question. 10th question. See that 10th question. So children, what is the 10th question? Means like this. It is that children. See triangle, children. Please keep copying, children. Don't want it sitting idle. Keep copying. After the class, 5 names I will send. You have to today I will put in the group. You have to send your notes to me, children. Okay, so it is there like this, children. This is P. This is Q. This is R. Okay. The sides AB, BC, CF triangle are same with set of Q. He is asking us to prove that AB plus CQ is equal to AC plus BQ. He is asking to prove. Can anyone tell, children?
Shall I?
AB.
I?
Ultan.
So Sahiti.
Again, Sahiti.
Sir, can I?
Any other students? Saumika, are you there? Saumika?
Sir, can I try?
Shantan, yeah, very good. Shantan, after a long time, we'll give chance to Shantan. Yes, Shantan, I'll help you.
Okay, sir. So we can write AB as AP plus PB.
No. We have to prove this, Nana. This is required to prove.
Okay.
I will give you help. First, AP is equal to PR.
Yeah, AP equals to PR because tangents meeting at a point are equal.
AP is equal to PR because tangents meeting at a point are equal. Next,
And then BP equals to
Sir,
BP.
AP is equal to AR.
AP is equal to
sorry.
AR.
Yeah, I'm sorry. AP is equal to AR. Now, according to the question, we want AB. AB means what you will have, Nana?
AP and then
PB.
BP. BP
So-
equals to BQ.
PB,
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. PB equals to BQ. And then CQ equals to CR.
CR is equal to CQ.
CQ.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Equal.
Now, if you add this both,
Which both, sir?
this both.
AB and PB.
Yeah.
We get AB.
No.
AR and BQ.
No, like not like that. We can't add like that. AB plus BP is equal to AR plus you get BQ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Prove that he's asking AB plus CQ. No, not like that. It's not true. Like that. These conditions are correct only. How shall we go ahead?
Sir, can't we say that AB equals to AC because tangents meeting at a point are equal?
No. This is how a tangent from here only tangent.
Oh.
This can't be tangent. If you can, this is not a tangent. This can be tangent. What will do? What we'll do means, sir.
Sir,
Okay, I will tell Nana what we will do means, sir.
sir, we
you
can
take
add.
LHS. What will add? How will add?
Sir, AP, like all LHS and RHS, we can add if we change CQ is equal to CR. Like if we write CQ is equal to CR, we can add this side and we can add that side.
Yeah, you want to change this here, that's all. Okay, that's all. CQ is equal to CR. Yes, like this also. Shanta, now add three left side, three RHS. Very good, friend. That's all.
AP plus PB plus CQ equals to
AP plus BB plus CQ is equal to
AR plus BQ plus CR.
AR plus BQ plus CR. AB plus BB is what?
AB
Very good. AB plus CQ.
plus
And
CQ equals to
AR
AC
plus
plus
CR is AR plus CR is
AC
AC plus
BQ.
BQ. Hence, prove that's it. Very good, Shantan and Premi for giving technical. I was going in another pattern. Okay, very good, Premi. And Shantan, very good, Nana. And okay, Shantan, can you tell me one more something? This only.
Yes,
I want area of ABC should be proved as half of perimeter of ABC into R. Can you try this also?
Into R. Okay, sir, I'll
This is
try.
required to do. This is required. First,
Okay.
let us find perimeter. You'll understand what to do.
Yeah, perimeter equals to AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC,
BC plus AC.
AC.
AB equals to AP plus PB.
1 second, not like that. So what we have to, this one I will tell, not like this. This I will tell you because you don't have idea. How to
Okay,
do
sir.
it, once I will tell, next sums you try. Okay.
Okay.
Children, what we have to do like this sums means, we have to divide this triangle into three equal parts. Children. This is one part. This is one part. This is one part. Three equal parts we have to divide. Children. Try to understand. Area of ABC can be written as area of AOB. Shantan, try if you want. Area of AOB. Area of,
POC.
very good. Area of,
AOC.
now you try. You will understand. I will help you.
Area of ABC equals to
Area of AOB is what?
area of APO plus area
Half
of
into
half into AB plus
base into height.
height. PO.
Again, what is BOP?
Half into BC plus
Into
OQ.
R. Into R. Half into base into height.
OQ.
Okay, area of AOC
Half into AC plus OR.
Hey, into R, no? R. Radius. This is radius.
Yes, sir.
Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay. Now, what happens? You see here. Area of ABC is equal to half into R. I'm taking common. What is left over? Tell me. AB plus
AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC plus AC. Now, can you tell me what is AB plus BC plus AC?
It's perimeter of ABC.
That's all. Hence proved. Hence proved. Very good. Like this. So children, whenever they ask area, you have to divide into three triangles and you have to do like this so many times we will be doing in the further questions also. Try to understand children. Next question. Next question. So I'm doing another question, children. I don't want to take much of your time. 15 questions will there. Stop, children. Okay, one big circle is there and one small circle is there. A common tangent is passing like this, and in the middle also a common tangent is passing like this. This is P, this is R, this is Q, this is A, the center, this is B, the center, this is C, the common point. Question is, what is the question is? Prove that the common tangent of the circle C bisects the common tangent at P and Q. He is asking to prove that PR is equal to RQ. He is asking to prove that PR is equal to RQ. He is asking to prove that PR is equal to RQ. Anyone?
So PR equal to RC.
PR is equal to RC. Very good.
Tangents meeting at one moment. RC is equal to RQ.
RC is equal to RQ.
So,
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
LHS are those both are equal, so these both also will be equal.
RC are equal. So
Because
PR
PR
is
is
equal.
equal to RQ.
So CR bisects.
CR bisects PQ.
Very good, very good. Rakesh, very good. That's it, children. Very small sum, children. But seeing the figure, some people will get confusion and feel they will feel nervous, children. But very, very easy sums, children. That's it. Next question. 12th question. Very, very important question, children. 100% guarantee. Question, children. This is every year. This year also will come, children. And tomorrow, whether it comes in board or not, tomorrow 100% it will come, children. I'm going to say in the next cycle, A, B, this is textbook question, children. A, B, C, D, and this is P, Q, R, S, and this is O, children. Okay, so the required proof is what? Means the required proof is AB plus CD is equal to BC plus BA. That's it, children. AB plus CD is equal to this side. Plus
Sir,
this.
shall I say?
Yeah, tell, very easy sum. Start
Sir,
from here.
AP is equal to
AP is equal to AS.
BP is equal to BQ.
Anyone. BP is equal to BQ. Next,
CQ is equal to CR.
Q is equal to CR.
And DR is equal to DS.
DR is equal
Add
to.
all LHS and all.
No. Before adding, you have to check. AP plus BP will give AB. They are on same side. DR plus CR will give CD. DR plus CR. This is reverse. We have to do. This we have to do reverse, children. If you don't do reverse here, it won't come as CD, children. This we have to do reverse. So CR is equal to CQ. We can write no problem will be there. CR is equal to CQ. That is very point. Sorry, no. That is very.
AP plus BP is equal to
AP plus BP plus CR plus
CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS.
AR, BQ plus CQ plus DS.
This is AB plus CD
AS plus
plus DS.
DS.
Sir.
Is
AD.
AD. Okay.
AD plus BC.
Big BC. Okay, children, this is very important. In your textbook, one more question is given continuation of this, children. Suppose if this is the parallelogram, prove it as a rhombus. Suppose if this is parallelogram, if it is parallelogram, then prove it as rhombus. If it is a parallelogram, prove it as a rhombus. Can you prove, children? In parallelogram, opposite sides are
Equal.
Equals.
so AB, CD, we can write as 2AB.
2AB and
And BC, we can write as 2AB.
2AD. AB is equal to AD. In rhombus, opposite sides are equal.
No.
Also,
AB and AD are adjacent sides. As adjacent sides also equal. As adjacent sides also equal, it is a rhombus. Children, already he said parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal. Now we have proved that adjacent sides also equal. We have proved that AB and AD are also equal. If AD equal, opposite sides equal, adjacent sides equal, opposite sides equal, all sides equal, it is a very rhombus. Okay, children, very important question. Children, textbook question, 100% guarantee, very important, children. Okay, next question. 13th question. 13th question, they are saying like this, children. There is a circle. Okay. Okay, children. There's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this hexagon, a circle is inscribed like this. Circle is inscribed. like this. Okay, children. Question is given as like this, children. E, D, C, B, A, F, P, S, R, Q, P, U. Like this question. Q. What is the question? Is we have to the length of the tangents. Okay, children. What is the they ask? They are asking to prove that AB plus CD plus EF is equal to AX plus AB plus CD plus EF is equal to BC plus DE plus FA. This is equal to.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, tell them.
Yes, sir. First, AP is equal to AU.
Where is AP?
Down, sir.
Okay, here AP is equal to
And
AU.
just meeting at a pointer equal AP is equal to AU.
AP is equal
BP
to
is equal to BQ.
You want to come like this in the clockwise. AP
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to AU. Next,
FU is equal to FT.
FP is equal to FT.
TE is equal to EG. SC, sorry, sir.
Okay.
SD is equal to SR.
DS is equal to DR.
RC is CR is equal to CQ.
CR is equal to CQ.
BQ is equal to BP.
BQ is equal to BP.
First, we should check whether all correct or.
Okay. For AB, what you want? AP and BP should be on same side.
Yes, sir. They are on same.
AP, where is BP? BP is not
Then-
reverse. So BP
BP
is equal to B.
BQ.
This is over. For CD, DR and CR should be on same side. CR is okay. DR is reverse.
DR is
DR is
equal
equal
to
to DS. We have to adjust, children. For EF, who is EF? EF. ET and FT should be on same side.
EF. We should change. So
ET is correct. FT we should change. FT is equal to FT. You like this? If I
now
change-
add all LHS and RHS.
Fantastic. Keep adding power fast.
AP plus CFT. DR plus CR plus BP is equal to AU plus FU plus SE. AU plus FU plus SE plus DS plus CQ plus BQ.
Okay, very good. Now we want AB.
AP.
AP plus BP.
AP
This is-
plus BP is equal to AB.
And CD. Where is
TQ
CD?
plus BQ is equal to CD.
DR plus CR. DR plus CR is CD.
Oh.
And FT plus EE is EF.
EF.
In the same way, what is BC?
BC is BQ plus CQ.
BQ plus CQ is BC. What is DE now? DE.
DE is equal to DS plus ES.
DS plus ES DE. And remaining things is FA. Like this, we have to prove, children, very easy. Only thing is you have to adjust. Whether all are coming on same side or not, we have to see and we have to adjust and we have to do. Okay, children, coding question. Children, there is a triangle like this. Okay, inside there is a circle inside A, B, C, D, E, F, O. O is the center of the circle, children. What we have to prove, children, prove that he's asking that prove that, children, prove that AF is equal to AE is equal to S minus A. Okay, I will tell what is it. BD is equal to BF is equal to S minus B. CD is equal to CB is equal to S minus C. Okay, where S is the perimeter of the circle, where S is the perimeter of the circle. S is the perimeter of triangle. No, S is the, one second, S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. I'm writing here. S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. Children, they said that S is the semi-perimeter. S is semi-perimeter. Where we use semi-perimeter of triangle, anyone?
In
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula, sir.
Heron's formula. Very good. And A is, children, opposite to AB is A. This is A is saying, children. Right? Opposite to B is B is saying, children. Opposite to C is small c is C. That's it. This is a question. Now we have to go If you do this, we'll stop because this is a very big question. Chalo, anyone want to help me or shall we go? Can we permit S is equal to?
A plus
A
B
plus
C
B
by
plus
2.
C by 2.
Okay.
2s is
2s is
equal
equal
to
to A plus
BC
B plus C.
plus
by
C.
Okay. Yatin, tell me, Yatin. 2S is equal to. A means what?
2s.
A means what?
A is BC. Sir.
A can be written as BD plus BD.
Okay. And B is equal can be written as CE plus EA.
Can be written as
CE plus EA. Sir.
B can be written as CE plus A. Okay. And B
C can be C can be written as BF plus FA.
BF plus A. Okay. Yeah. Now let me know. So 2S is equal to 2S is equal to now which are equal? BD and BF are equal. These both are equal. Can I write 2 BD?
Yes, sir.
And now
CD and
CD
CE.
and CE are equal. CD and CE are equal.
2
Can
C.
I write 2 CD? Anything is okay. AE and AF are equal. Can I write 2 AE?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything.
And
Okay, now take 2
Two.
common. 2 common on both sides. 2S is equal to 2 times of
BD plus CD plus AE.
CD plus AE is equal to 2 to
2
cancel.
cancel.
So S is equal
S is
to
equal to BD plus CD plus AE.
CD plus AE. Okay. So yeah. Now who is A? Who is A? BD plus C. Who is A?
BD plus C.
No, you see, over. So S is equal to BD plus CD is what?
BC. Sir.
BD plus CD is what? A.
Oh, A, sir.
A plus AE. A goes here. So AE is equal to S minus A. AE and AF are equal already we know. So AF also S minus A. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Now, how to get other one? Because we have 3 things. Only first one we prove. Second and third also I will prove from that only children. See here all of them. Those who are having confusion, see here. Second one also from this only I will prove. S is equal to BD plus CD plus A. A is over children. Now let's go to B. What is B? AE plus C. Children try to understand what is B children. AE plus CE. A is there. CE can be written as what, Nana? CD. So BD plus CD can be written as CE plus AE. Try to understand. S is equal to BD plus B. This whole thing written as B children. If this bring it here. So BD is equal to S minus B. No, sir, BD is also BF. It's okay. BF is equal to S minus B. Anything is okay. That's what. No, sir, we didn't understand it. Last time I'm saying after this, you will understand or not, I can't do that. S is equal to BD plus CD plus AE. What the first question we got? No problem, children. Now we have to get the condition for C. What is C, children? BF plus A.
BF plus A.
BF is not there, children. BD is
But
there.
BD is equal to BF.
BF. And
CD as it is.
AE we can write as AF.
AF.
AE we can write as AF. S is
BF AF is C. C plus CD.
Okay.
S minus CD. S minus C is equal to CD.
Or
But CD is also equal to CE.
Very good, fantastic. CD is also equal to CE, so we can write it in the assessment. The very interesting sum children, like this sums will come children. So in exam when they come, you should not feel nervous children. You should not keep on thinking how to do. If you do now, you will understand children. Last sum for the day, last one sum I will tell and I will leave it children, so that we will complete 15 sums. I hope everyone understood this children.
Yes, sir.
Last sum children, very interesting sum. It's an NCERT example sum. So right angle triangle is there. There is a circle, okay, and there is a radius. Children, this is R. Means, of course, this is also R. Of course, this is also R. Then you give, I am not given. Okay. Well, then why you are drawing, sir? You may ask. I'm sorry, children. So A, B, C. This is 90. This is children. This is 90. They're asking you to prove that R is equal to A plus B minus C by 2. Fantastic question, children. What is A, sir? Means opposite to A is always A. What is B, sir? Means opposite to B is
AC.
always B. What is C opposite to C?
AB.
How to do this sum? This is the question. That's it.
So we will divide it into 6 triangles.
6, why 6? No, 3 only. Anyway, 3 only, but no need of triangles here. Okay, no need of triangles here. What we do? It's a C. Okay, so just to see here, children. This is R. This is R. Means this is also R. This is also R. Okay, now check. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is also 90 automatically. Rectangle or square, opposite sides are equal. Am I correct, children? If
Yes,
you
sir.
understand this
Yes,
over, children, remaining is over. If this is R, this is B minus R. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If this is R, this is A
A
minus
minus
R.
R.
If this is A minus R, this is also A minus R. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
If this is B minus R, this is also B minus R. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Over, children, now. C is what? Anyone? C is what?
B minus
B
R.
minus R plus A minus R.
B minus R, sorry, B minus R plus A minus R. So C is equal to B plus
plus
A
B
minus
minus
2R. This here, 2R is equal
2R is
to
equal to A plus B
Plus
minus C.
minus C.
R
R
is
is equal
to
to
A
A.
plus B minus C by 2.
over. That's it. Everything is here on each other. If you know this is R, because all are 90, the square of rectangle opposite sides are equal. This I wrote B minus R, this I wrote B minus R. If this is B minus R, this is B minus R. If this is B minus R, this is B minus R. And C is equal to B minus R plus A minus R. Don't see difference books children. They will give very big letters. Don't follow the letters children. This is the best method. What I think is on. Because they will say that use Heron's formula, use Pythagoras theorem, that this big number will do. This is the best method. C is equal to this plus this. I got the answer. Hope you all understood, children. In next class, I will next some more sums. And thank you so much, children. Tell the attendance and go. Please tell that.